Hey there, did you know you can make money from home with just your computer and a stable internet connection? Intrigued? Keep watching to find out how with Appen. Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the world of work from home jobs with Appen. Now, let's address the common challenges many face when trying to find legitimate work from home opportunities. It can be tough to sift through the sea of options and find a reliable source of income. But fear not, we've got a solution for you. Enter Appen, your gateway to remote job opportunities. From social media evaluation to transcription and data annotation, there's a wide array of roles you can explore with Appen. They make it easy for you to work from home and earn a decent income. Here's the exciting part. Working with Appen comes with a host of benefits. You get to enjoy flexible hours, work on diverse projects, and best of all, work from anywhere you please. It's the ultimate work-life balance you've been dreaming of. To wrap things up, let's recap. Making money from home with Appen is not only convenient but also offers the potential for a sustainable income. It's a game changer for those looking to earn money on their terms. Ready to explore the world of remote job opportunities with Appen? Head over to their website to check out available job openings. And don't forget to subscribe for more work from home job tips and updates. Your next big opportunity is just a click away. And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, with Appen, making money from home has never been easier. See you in the next video.